thought while people are popping on, I'll just continue painting this. All right, y'all, so we painted our little birdhouse, but this is the paper we're using. And this is a digital deco design print. So, like I said, I cut my pieces out so y'all don't have to sit here and suffer through it, except for the top part. I'm using a different paper on that. Decoupage, it's from Decoupage Napkins. So it is a background paper. I'm using that on the, look at that print. I think you can see the print. I'm using that on the top here. Mod Podge. I'm going to use Mod Podge tonight. Alright, so we're just going to apply our Mod Podge right here. Alright, so, okay, so we have our little roof going on here. Just going to give that a try. Okay, so we're just going to seal this now. That's pretty dry right there. Okay, I don't know what to do up here. Probably, I don't know. May have to use another piece here. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to take, we're just going to continue and, yeah, we're just going to continue on with the decoupaging. Okay, so this is my shabby chic house. We're going to use this little piece here. So this is like, it's got like a little pearl in there, entwined in there. So we're using this as our edging, I guess you can say. So I'm just using my Fabri-Tac. You can get this at Hobby Lobby, Amazon, Walmart. Okay, so we got our little trim around there, little shabby chic trim. Okay, so y'all, like I said, there's so many little steps to this, but I have this little mold. I did not make it. I got it from Formflex Compound. Tammy, she owns that company, Tammy. So she sent this to me, and so I'm going to use it right here on this little birdhouse. But first it needs to be painted. Dark wax. We're going to just use this bare dark wax on here. So this Formflex compound, y'all, it stays flexible. So if this was going to go around a bottle, you could. She sent this to me maybe a week or so ago, so it's still real pliable and flexible. That's what I like about Formflex compound. So there you go. So we're gonna also use, of course, some gold on here. So I'm just gonna use the Pint Art wax paste. So you don't see any white. I say that, and then no, it's pretty covered with them. I think we're just gonna put that right there with oh, here we go. So many different products. Okay, so Type Bond, we're going to use our Type Bond here. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So, let me see if I can stick this on here. Well, this is a rose gold one. What do y'all think? And so I also have, I'm not finished with the trim, y'all. Hold on. I'll show you what we'll do. I'm going to put this down here. Let's just do that real quick. Alright, so we got our little trim on there. A little sari silk bow that I made, and I just put some real, like, almost like chiffon, but real sheer little ribbon, and then I glued this little pearl ribbon there. You can get all that from Hobby Lobby. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put this right here, but y'all look, I'm gonna use this Totally Dazzled piece, pearls in the middle anyway, so that'll look good. Look, that mold came with little bitty birds like this, and some big birds, and it's an IOD. See these birds? I think you can see them. Anyway, this is a neat mold. They have all different sizes. So, how cute is that? That's really cute. Oh, I may even put that little bird. I don't know. But, so this, I think I'm just going to add this down here. Here's our little shabby chic birdhouse. I'm going to put some rhinestones up here. I think that would look precious. That would look really good. So here's our little butterfly there. And then our little piece down here. Anyway, I will see y'all next week right here on Totally Dazzled.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.